Hello everyone, I am here in my garage changing my spring coil on my 2005 BMW X3. I'm gonna open the parts, the new parts. I have one. As you can see it, it's right here. I bought it from the States, and it took about a week to get it. I ordered it from Canada, from Manitoba, the province of Manitoba, and yeah, we're gonna start changing those things. I hope this video helps you to do it, because this is my first time, and it really is not hard to do it. It looks very easy, so if I can do it, you can do it. If you see this video and you like it, you can give it a like and subscribe if you want to Valencia channel. Thank you. I'll keep going. Okay, we're gonna start lifting the car up. I have a 3-ton jack, car jack, but you can use the original that comes with your car. Before I start lifting up, I'm gonna loose up all the nuts from the tire, so it's easier, the tire won't spin. So I'm doing the first one right now. Actually, okay, here we go. There. One. Second one. Second one done. Okay, once all the nuts are loose, so we're gonna lift up the car all the way, so the tire goes in the air. Okay, I think it's good enough. We'll leave it like that. So I got the tire off. You can see the coil. It's broken. See, there's a piece right there. Right there. As you can see it. That's one piece. See, look. That's how they break. So taking it out is not too hard. You just gotta get this down with a pry bar and get the old one out. But putting the new one in, because it's new, it's not broken, so it's like original, so it needs more gap to get it in, so it's a little bit harder, but it's possible. You don't have to go to the dealer and pay so much money for it. Yeah, we gotta loose the strut out, which is this one here. See it? Take that out. Okay, so here it is coming out. See? See, this is where it sits. I'm gonna give it a nice clean up over here before I put the new one in. It looks easy. It's not that easy, but it's not hard, you know. It's like in the middle, like easy to do it. I mean, what I'm trying to say is you can do it. As you can see, we got the new one in. To get this part down, I use a pry bar. I use actually a 2x4. I stick it in there and got this thing down, and it was so easy to put it in. And the next one, the other side, is actually exactly the same thing, so you're not gonna see it, but it's exactly the same. So it's almost done. I just gotta put this thing back and it'll be all done. Put the tire back and ready to go. You can see it. See, it fits perfect and brand new. And I think I pay around $200 for both. I just wanted you to show you how much I save with replacing the coil, the springs. So as you can see over there, it says replace both rear coil springs. Rear coil spring broken off. So you can see it over here. It's 1,096 with 69 cents. So I save around $900. There's another one that I didn't have the chance to save it. I didn't know how to do it, so they did it for me. Replace AC belt, serpentine belt, and belt tensioner. That one I didn't have a choice, so they did it for me for $587. That's plus tax. So you can see how much you can save by doing it yourself. That's all I wanted to show you. Oh, and that's actually from the BMW dealer.